Hey everybody, how you all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the woods? What up, what up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from down a yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome to the banana cupcake frosting. If you had watched the video prior to this one, you'd have seen what had happened. Now we're gonna get some frosting going. So for this frosting, you're gonna need, and my bag is Birds Family, oh Lord, but we're gonna get going. We're gonna need some powdered sugar, icing sugar. So we're gonna throw some, and I'll list for you. I'll put the amount. You know, I told you I'll do that. So you need to sift out your icing sugar as well to get it free from lumps. And this year, you got to be careful because you can't avoid this. What is happening here with the dust? You cannot avoid it. The camera may go out of focus, but we are sorry if that happens. We are trying to prevent these lumps. So we got to do this. You don't want that in your frosting. Okay? So we're going to gently, just do it gently in order not to have a problem. And when you reach here, your hands are clean. They should be clean. You just mash. Mash the lumps. Huh? This is the nature of the powdered sugar. But we do it because we want it. Now that you have done that, this is how we find how soft, free of lumps it is. Now, we're going to use some shortening only too. So we are going to put like about this in shortening. I think we might just use all of this shortening. Yes, I think so. You want to get it all soft, nice, sorry, and silky. So we're going to just use shortening only. So we're using shortening and powdered sugar for this. Now, what we're going to do, we are going to look for, okay, when we come back, we'll just, when we're finished with the shortening, what you need to do at this point, you will need to select those that are more accurate. Some are more accurate than some because of, I told you, the size of the liners to the size of mine. But I do have things family, but I can't find them. I've loaned out some and everything, all my baking equipment. But I just use what I have. But you use what you have, or if you have the right. So what I'm doing, I'm searching for the most accurate ones that are properly cooled, and we are going to work on those. So I'm just selecting some. So you would put it on here. You're choosing some because some fell off because of the size that let me show you. Some just got away like this or this, yeah, because of the size, the inaccuracy of the liners. So we're gonna use some of these. So these are cooled. They must be properly cooled before you proceed to frosting. So when we return, we are gonna cream our shortening and powdered sugar together off camera, just to avoid that noise. Okay? Now family, we had to go off camera, as I'm not sure if you are familiar with decorating powdered sugar. It gives off so much mist. It gives off a lot of mist and all of that. So you want to cream it until you get it. It's not finished, but you're going to cream and you're going to stop at a certain interval. Just the shortening and the powdered sugar. So what we're going to do, remember, if you're feeding this to kids, please do not put the rum in this. We're going to put a pinch of rum because we said it was rummy. Just a pinch, yeah, in the mixture. This is quite optional, not for the kids. Remember that, okay, y'all parents? I'll be icing some and some will not be iced, or we're going to do some other icing because I have camera girl and she will not be consuming this alcohol. So what we're going to do, it is still tight. So I'm going to mix it and just a bit, not for long because you know the mix and the noise. So at this point, you need to be creaming it on high speed because you want it to come light out because it's frosting. Look at it right in. At this point, it is still a bit tight and tardy. So we want to cream it until it comes light. So you're going to cream it. Moving your mixer all over, and while creaming you'll be using your spatula to scrape around, just like when you're mixing up your batter. Okay, so we're gonna cream until we get the desired texture. We'll come back, we'll show you what the texture look like, and we are gonna proceed this little decorating process. Now family, I'm gonna have to do something I've never done before. I cannot find any of my pastry bags. All that I've found, they are crystallized, and I know I loaned out some. I don't remember because I stopped baking. So I'm gonna use one of these bags for the first. I have the coupler. I do have a tip. I have this tip. Is not the right number. It's not the right pattern that I want, but this is what I find the nearest to it. So please wish me some luck. So what I am gonna do, because this bag is shaped, because the pastry bags, you know, they are on a cone shape, but on the square. So me I gonna try something as well, me see. So this is like, this and this goes together. I'm not teaching, you know, this is when I'm teaching. It makes the coupler. Normally when you have the pastry bag on the cone shape, you would put this part in the bag like this. Yeah. And you'd proceed to put, this is the tip, y'all. And they come in different numbers. Each number determines the pattern that you get. So use it right here now. That is why it's called the coupler. This is the part holds the tip with the part on the inside. Now, when you have the cone, you have it coming, you know, it on a cone shape. So it will be something like this. Okay, it will be more something like this. This other part here, but I'm gonna try to get something. So you want to have your frosting light and fluffy. So we're gonna leave in the description what and what you use and how long you do that for the frosting. So if I had the pastry bag, the cone shaped one, I would proceed to bend it over. So I've got to do the same with this. You want to put some of your frosting in there. Reasonable amount, because we have a few cakes there, because we don't want to come back, you know. So we're gonna put a reasonable amount in there, but not too much to put too much pressure on the tip, eh? So this process, this decorating process, it's messy. If there's nothing you can do to avoid these things. So we're gonna get this out of the way. First time I'm using the bag, you know, family, so please, you want to squeeze down, because me have to end up like we can get this bag shaped like the icing bag on the cone shape. So you want to squeeze down gradually. Take your time. Go down, go down. Don't leave any here. So I'm gonna squeeze down until I get it all where I want it and come back. It's gonna take me a little time. Now family, the cone bag would have more come something like this. What you want to do first, you want to don't have any hair, so you want to find that there's no hair pocket in there. So you want to test, and this is the pattern. So we are going to proceed now. We're going to put a little pressure on a rotary, or in a rotary motion. You want to have something like that, and you want to try to let them look on, just as you do one, you want to do all of them looking like this. So what I'm going to do one more for you, okay? In the middle, applying some pressure in a rotary motion, up, up, stop. So we're going to finish these and come back. Now family, you can make your pattern to the amount that you want. You could go all the way around to the end and come up depending on what you want. This is how we have it, and we want to, you know, it's sort of look dull right there, so we're going to use some sprinkles. So what we're going to do, we're going to move them individually to another platter and we're going to sprinkle them, okay? So we're going to use a sprinkle like that, okay? We're going to do it individually as this. Shake off the excess, because we just want the sprinkle atop the icing or the frosting. So what you need to do is to remove them individually. Put on the sprinkle and put them back here. So we're going to do just that and come back to you. Now family, we have finished our little thing, our little decorating. Put the camera up. And I must say to you, this is not my best. Your girl is rusty. I haven't done this in I don't know how many years. I'm so rusty. But if you want your girl to get popping and to get back up on track, you want to see the best of your girl, because let me tell you something, y'all. I have about 250 or 260 cooking videos up on my cooking channel. Cooking is not my passion. And I know, I'm going to say, what you say, Debbie? No, y'all. I cook, but it's not my passion. This is my passion. Cake decorating, baking and decorating of cake. That's my passion, y'all. I had so many stuff, but started cooking, started using it as a job. So that was what I was using to feed my family. So I just stay to it. And just literally I forget about it. I not really forgot, but it's like it was on the back burner. You want to see your girl get popping? I'm rusty here. Want to see your girl get popping? Want to see your girl giving you that authentic, old-time, long-time Jamaican wedding cake from scratch? Y'all know when I say from scratch, step by step, in depth. I want you to smack up the like button. Leave your comments below. And your girl is going to get poppy, because you know when your girl get popping, you all are going to be poppy. Now I've got to present, now that all that is out of the way. So from my kitchen to yours, to your family table, to your Valentine, whatever table, it's rummy, nutty, banana cupcakes, and we have put on a little icing on them for you. Okay? Remember to like, remember to share, and most of all, subscribe. When you do, remember to hit that bell. And remember, I said, you want your girl to get popping, clean off the rustiness for them far, and get going. Remember to up right on over to the Jamaican Debbie Debs. Camera girl, a scoot. She's popping over there, y'all. Enjoy, y'all. And from my kitchen to yours, okay, have a blessed, loving, everything Valentine's Day. Okay, y'all. Debbie from Dongayard, don't forget, bless, no stress.